Good day, everyone. You're welcome back to our channel. We are going to continue our discussion on Pisces, and this is the second part of our discussion on Pisces. Now, it's important to know that Pisces can be divided into two. Based on the type of endoskeleton that they have, we can divide Pisces into two. Pisces can be divided into bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. Now, when we say fishes are bony, what we mean is that majority or most of their endoskeleton is made up of bones. That hard structure that we have that we call bones is what most of their endoskeleton is made up of. We have examples such as our tilapia, carp, salmon, and mackerel. All these fishes are bony fishes. They have a lot of bone in their endoskeleton. Now, the other second type are the cartilaginous fishes. These are fishes that have majorly a lot of cartilage in their structure, more than they have of bones. Not that they don't have any bones, but they have more cartilages than they have bones in their structure. And the examples of fishes in this class include the sharks, the skates, the dogfish, the catfish, and the ray. This is important to note. Now, it's also important to know that a lot of fishes have what we call streamlined body. When you look at the body of a fish, it looks like a jet that is flying in the air. And the reason for this is to reduce what we call drag. When the fish is going through the river, the force of the river tries to push the fish back. But because the fish has a body structure that is streamlined, that has sharp mouth and then is streamlined, is able to move, pierce through the water very quickly, and it can make its movement very quickly, and this reduces drag. It reduces the force trying to hold the fish back from swimming. Now, it's also important to note that the fishes can be carnivorous or they could be herbivorous. Now, fishes that are carnivorous usually eat other fishes. Fishes that are smaller than themselves, they eat them. While the fishes that are herbivorous eat plankton and other plant material which they can find in the sea. This is important to note. It's also good to know that a lot of fishes use camouflaging and lighting. They use lighting and patterns, to camouflage, because they can easily be eaten by a lot of predators. Within the sea, there is a lot of predation going on. And so many fishes use different patterns and lightings on their bodies to be able to avoid predation, to be able to use them as camouflage. This is important to know. Now, fishes also are involved in a lot of osmoregulation. They try to regulate the amount of salt, the amount of water also that is in their system, and the amount of salt that is in their system. They have quite a number of mechanisms that fishes use for osmoregulation. One of the mechanisms is the use of the gills. Even though the gills, like we said earlier in our other video, please check it out, the gills do a lot for gaseous exchange, but the gills also help fishes to use to exchange to regulate the amount of solute, especially sodium and chloride, that is present in their body. And so gills can help to excrete a lot of sodium chloride for the fishes. The fishes also have a kidney, and the kidney, like we know in most higher organisms, the kidney produces urine, and the kidney of fishes are also used for osmoregulation. When there is a need to reduce salt content in the fish produces very concentrated urine and passes it out of the body. That urine contains a lot of solute. Of the fish needs to keep water, keep a lot of water within it, keep a lot of solvent within itself. It can also produce very dilute urine. So the kidney helps the fish to be able to osmoregulate, and this is important. You also have glands very close to the eyes of the fish, which the fish uses to excrete a lot of salt. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope you watch it many times so that you have enough information. We have a first part that we've done on fishes. Thank you. Please like our content, share our content, and have a wonderful day.